10 Money Rules Everyone Should Learn in Their 20s. Welcome to this video on 10 money rules everyone should learn in their 20s. In this video, we'll review essential money principles to help you lay a solid financial foundation and achieve your long-term financial objectives. 1. Pay yourself first. The concept behind this rule is to save for your financial objectives and future requirements first, rather than spending first and saving what is left over. This money management method can assist you in developing good financial habits, reducing tension and anxiety, and achieving long-term financial objectives. 2. 6 months emergency fund. The goal is to have a safety net that allows you to handle your expenditures without having to depend on credit cards or loans, which can lead to debt and financial worry. This money management method can assist you in avoiding financial difficulties and achieving your long-term financial objectives. 3. Budget using the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule is a planning method that proposes dividing your money into 3 categories: necessities, desires, savings, and debt repayment. This money management strategy can assist you in achieving financial security, reducing debt, and accumulating long-term wealth. 4. Divide your bonuses into thirds. You can prioritize your financial objectives while still leaving room for fun and pleasure by splitting your windfall into 3 equal portions for urgent expenditures, investments, and fun. This rule can assist you in making the most of your bonus money and improving your general financial situation. 5. Put all or a large raises into saving and investing. Investing all or part of your raises and bonuses is a wise money management strategy that can help you achieve financial security and long-term prosperity. 6. Avoid high-interest debit. Credit card debt and personal loans with high interest rates can be very expensive and rapidly build up if not managed correctly. This can assist you in meeting your long-term financial objectives and improving your general financial well-being. 7. Always take an employer 401k match rule. Many employers offer 401k retirement savings plans that enable workers to save a part of their pre-tax income for retirement. You can optimize your retirement savings and accomplish your long-term financial objectives by taking advantage of your employer's 401k match program. 8. Your home payment. The house payment money formula guidance for deciding how much housing you can afford. According to the guideline, you should not spend more than 28% of your total monthly salary on housing costs, which include your mortgage payment, property taxes, and insurance. 9. April 20th 10 rule. The April 20th 10 money formula is a personal financial guideline that can help you make informed car buying choices. It recommends putting down at least 20% of the vehicle's purchase price, financing it for no more than 4 years, and keeping your monthly auto expenses, principal, interest, and insurance to no more than 10% of your monthly gross revenue. 10. You should save at least 15%. For retirement, you should strive to save at least 15% of your gross salary. This rule assumes that you will need to replace approximately 80% of your pre-retirement revenue to maintain your standard of living during retirement. Thank you for staying with us as we talked about the 10 money rules that everyone should know in their 20s. If you found this information useful and would like to receive more financial insights and guidance, please subscribe to our channel. You'll never miss an update on how to better your financial health and protect your future if you subscribe.